Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, please like, comment, and subscribe. Vega shoved between a rock and a hard place by the people that did him wrong. Nomaswazi visit unexpectedly on Vega place, and it seems like Vega does not want to talk with Nomaswazi, but his father asked Vega to talk with Nomaswazi why Nomaswazi is here. And Nomaswazi tell Vega that Njenji want him back. While Mkondo learns some unpleasant news about Nosipho, he goes to Mondli for asking to pay the lobola of unborn child, but he got unexpected explanation when Mondli tell Mkondo that Nosipho takes the sperm and make it a baby. While Mbata plans of raising money seems to be a great success, and Madlala support Mbata to see the men who choose the ladies on the church. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.